Good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and we back in the shop today. So today we are going to do some rearranging. We're gonna move the cars around a little bit. The Impala is going to the third bay. The Elko is coming to the middle of the garage. And yeah, so that's gonna be how we rock. The Elko is a smaller car than the Impala. It's skinnier and it's shorter, so you know, it would fit a little bit better in the middle so that we don't have any more mishaps. As you guys saw from, you know, a couple videos ago, you know what I'm saying? The wife had a mishap. You know, I keep saying that because it's just kind of mind-boggling. But anyways, man, before we jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And go ahead and go to grindschoolshop.com to get all your merchandise. I can't wait for my merchandise to get in so I can show you guys what it actually looks like. If you support me, support the channel, I greatly appreciate it, man. Get you a beanie, get you a hoodie, get you a shirt, something like that, something simple. I greatly appreciate it. Grindschoolshop.com, you can see at the bottom of the screen. Also, link is in the description below. You can also scan the QR code. But anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so I can show you guys exactly what we're doing. We're gonna expect some weather tomorrow. It's gonna be cold for the next week. So I'm trying to get this done today. So anyways, let me show y'all what I'm doing and then, you know, we'll get started on the video. All right, grind schoolers. So like I said, the Impala is going over there. The Elko's coming over here. We gotta switch some things around. And right now I have the battery tender or the trickle charger on the Impala because its battery keeps dying. And right now you know, I have to step over in between here to get, you know, past the Impala and stuff. So I want to kind of clean this stuff up, move stuff, get stuff out the way. And I think the battery tender will be better over there in that corner than right here, so I don't have to step over anything. So we are going to go ahead and start the Impala up, take it out. And then also too, man, the problem with having like so many cars and stuff like that, it's kind of frustrating because the maintenance on it is, so we got to pump up the tire on the Elko. I have no idea why this tire is going flat. I hope I don't have a nail in it. I thought it would be because of the weather, but I pumped this tire up and it's slowly going flat. So not sure why that's occurring. I really hope it's nothing serious. But yeah, the tire is going flat on the Elko. I mean, I wouldn't think that it would be nothing serious, man. I might look up under there, see if there's a nail in the tire or something like that. But because it just one day just started going flat, you know, it keeps going flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump this up. I got the battery charger thing, or the you know, pump charging up so that I can pump this tire up. I'll probably go ahead and throw this on the charger, and then, you know, we'll go ahead and fire this thing up, pull it out, let it run for a little bit because, you know, it is cold. And yeah, so let me go ahead and start moving some stuff around so that we can get the cars in position to where they need to be, where they need to live. And yeah, I might need to move this air compressor. I don't think the car is that long, so I'll move this stuff over a little bit more just for the time being, like I said, so that I can yeah, move this stuff over because the Impala is a little bit wider. And then I'll probably put the trickle charge right here and we'll see, man. But anyways, Impala used to be over here, but now we're really actually gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the garage because I gotta start my truck up because the truck is diesel. So with that being said, with it being diesel, you have to, you know, obviously let it run for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck up, let that thing run for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Elko out. I'll start the truck up now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the battery, or not the battery, what I'm talking about. Go ahead and hook up the air pump to the Elko so that we can start getting that all situated and all done, ready to go. But yeah, like I said, now you can see it since, you know, it's a little bit of light, but you can see that it's going pretty flat, you know what I mean? But yeah, I gotta move this out the way. I gotta move all this stuff out the way, man, cause whew, it's chilly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my snow blower in here too, just in case. Probably not today. I don't think we're gonna get that much snow. But yeah, so anyways, man, I'm trying to think about some stuff, but I'll get it all together. I'm gonna move this car, like I said, and then the Impala will go over here. All right, y'all. I gotta do some rearranging, man, because I hate clutter, man. I hate clutter, and there's so much junk just everywhere. This pump takes forever, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start the Impala up, pull it out, and just let it run while it's out of the garage, just so it can warm up a little bit, charge the battery a little bit, let this one do its thing a little bit. Sounds like it's about to die already, but I'll go ahead and start this car up too in the meantime, and then go ahead and take this off. The tire looks like it's full enough for now, but I'll fill it up. I'll charge this thing back up, and I'll fill it up once I get the car on this side, because like I said, you can hear it starting to sound like it's gonna die. But yeah, you know, I want to get this done, man, because it's cold out here. Yeah, so let me go ahead and start the imp up, and then we'll get this out of here, get everything rearranged. Opportunity to let both of them run real quick. They probably about to run out of gas, both of them, so I ain't trying to take up too much time, but yeah, man, had to pull them out real quick, let them run, especially this one because the battery keep dying. But you know what I'm saying, man, thing look good, boy. All right, y'all, sorry for the wind, but they are in their rightful spots. I wanted to turn the Impala around so it's facing forward, but this needs to be on the trickle charger because like I said, the battery keeps dying. But this is where this car should be because it's so much bigger and there's more space on that side, and this one is where this should be. I probably might move the Elko over just a tad, just so that we really do have like a whole lot more space. But if you can notice just how much smaller the Elko is as a car, you know what I'm saying? Like the Elko is tiny compared to the Impala, yo. Like even with the big back like that, the Elko is really, really small. For instance, the Impala was probably pretty much about the same distance between where the garage door is to where the back of the car was. It was probably pretty much almost up against the door. And you know what I mean? If you guys had seen, like I barely had any walking space between, you know what I'm saying, the back and where this is at. Now with the Elko, I got a whole about 3.5 feet between here and the table. And the reason why, you know what I'm saying, I was gonna move this table and clean everything all off, but with the Elko sitting here, like I got so much more space. Like I don't even have to worry about, you know what I'm saying, not having any space or any walking room or anything. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave the, or this is gonna be how they're gonna set it, regardless of the situation. And then the Elko, you know what I'm saying, this one the motor will come out and all that kind of stuff. So it's a lot more space on this side to like really work with. So, you know what I'm saying, when I pull the motor out, it'll be all good to go, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, but I just wanted to really rearrange the cars a little bit. Like I said, this one here is skinnier, shorter. It makes for a lot more room, a lot more space for me to be able to walk through, because this is a tripping hazard right here. And I'm constantly having to make sure I'm not about to kick this, because as you can see, I got slides on, and kicking this with a toe, that's gonna hurt. Also, between the cars, it seems like there's more space, you know what I mean? Because on that side, if I get in on the car on that side, I'm not in jeopardy of hitting this stuff here. So how they were positioned before, obviously the driver's side door for the Impala was right here. I'm opening the door, like trying not to hit this. And then on the driver's side, for the Elko, since it's backwards, I'm opening the door trying not to hit this too. So, you know what I'm saying, now I don't have to worry about that. And then also too, the doors on the Impala are shorter. So when I open up the door on that side, you know what I'm saying, I have a lot more room to get out. If the Elko was forward, the doors are longer, so I have less room to kind of swing the door out. So this is the positioning that these cars need to be in. I still have plenty of space like up here, and I might, you know what I'm saying, back the Impala up just a tad bit so that, you know, I can walk around the car like efficiently and stuff like that. But in due time, man, in due time. And then also too, I got a front seal for the Impala, but like I was telling you guys, like that's just what the car was just sitting there running just now. It's leaking oil so bad, yo. Really, 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 really bad. So we got to figure that out. But anyways, man, we gonna get to everything in due time. But I just wanted to go ahead and rearrange the cars real quick so that, you know, I have more space. There's less opportunity for them to get messed up, because like I said, the Elko is so much smaller than the Impala is. So now my wife doesn't have to be in jeopardy of smacking my cars or nothing like that, man. So this is where they're gonna live at, man. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed as always. It wasn't nothing too serious, man. It was something real, like, easy, simple. The reason why I wanted to do that is, like I said, because I need space in the garage, for one. For two, it just makes it easier on everybody involved to have space to be able to move around and all that kind of stuff. And, you know, like I said, it was something necessary. Needed to rearrange some stuff. I still got to get to cleaning the garage and really getting things like real cleaned up. I want to kind of insulate my garage so that it's warmer in here, so that I can, you know, be in here comfortably working. I do have a garage heater, but I'll have to get it installed because it takes a certain voltage in order to run. I do have a 220 volt, but I don't know if that's going to be okay to run that heater that I have. But anyways, Like I said, everything now should be good to go. When I do need to do things on, bless me. When I do need to do things on the Impala, I'll just switch them back, or, you know, do how I was doing the Elko, you know, do one side and then flip the car around and do the other side. I still got suspension work on the Impala to do. Like I said, I got to still get my tubulars for the front. Once I get that, you know what I'm saying, we can go ahead and install that. And maybe, you know what I'm saying, when that time comes, I'll switch the cars again and just put the Impala in the middle. And work it like that, because there's so much more space in the middle to just move around and do what you got to do. I don't want to be up against the wall like I was with the Elko. But yeah, like I said, man, we are pretty much to the end of everything, man. I'm happy with, you know, how much space this provides me now because of, you know, the layout and stuff like that. And I could move the Elko over a little bit more, which I probably will do, but I'm not going to do that today. Because my wife's car is not going to go in the garage until I get the pistons and everything else that I have going on cleaned up. So anyways, yeah, without further ado, we're going to conclude this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. I greatly appreciate it. I always appreciate all the love. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, and I definitely appreciate all of you guys, the ones that are existing, that's been rocking with me from the jump. And also new subscribers, man. I can't thank y'all enough, man. Y'all keep me going. I love doing this. I enjoy being able to bring this content to you guys, so I can hopefully motivate and inspire some of you guys to get out and get to work on, you know, some of your cars and bringing some heat to the universe. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyways, man, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. Always remember, work hard so you can live free.